Hey, hi. Good morning, guys. I hope you can hear me, right? Right. Okay. So, guys, I hope you practiced the select command part one, right? The last session. So let me go with the recap ones. So you remember last session, guys? We are completely started something, select command only. Under the CRUD operation, we are at a retrieve operations. So in the select operation, guys, first we have seen, how to read a single column, and how to read something, multiple columns, multiple columns. And also, guys, we have seen how to read all columns. This is the first scenario, guys, that we practiced. Then you have practiced something, aggregate functions. What are the aggregate functions?
Minimum, maximum.
Correct.
Minimum, maximum, sum, average, count.
Min, max, sum, AVG, and a count. These are the things, guys, we learn. And guys, I have shown you then, relational operators. So what are the relational operators?
Less
Less than, greater than, less than, equal to, greater than, equal to, double equal to, not equal to.
Correct. So here we have something, like this. And we have these kind of things also. This is not equal and this is the equal. And finally, remember guys, we have discussed something, logical operators. Logical operators. So
And or not.
correct. So
And
under
or
this
not.
and or not. And also guys, I have given some real-time use cases, when to use relational, when to use logical also, right? So today guys, we'll see continuation about select command. Today we'll see about continuation of select command. So yeah, so this is your table, employee table. This is your employee table. How 8 columns? How 8 column? So can you please focus on the names of employees? Can you please focus on the employee names once? 1 second, let me change this. Yeah, let me guys just focus on the names of the employees. How many employees? Not how many. Whose employees names ending with AY? AY.
3.
3.
3.
Sanjay,
Ajay,
Vijay.
Sanjay, Vijay. Correct?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Whose name having E letter?
Deepak.
Sai
Wait.
Deepak.
Sai,
Deepak and
Venu.
Sai Deepak and Venu. Correct? So now the question, now the next topic is guys something you remember in a quicker or let's say book my show, quicker or book my show or Naukari. Let's say Naukari. Let's say Naukari. If you type J letter, if you type A letter in Naukari guys, search box. If you type JA, it will show you something, Java developer. Correct? Correct. In Naukari.
Suggestion.
It will show you kind of, suggestion. So simply if you type J letter, J related, J related, the job searching that we can see this. Am I clear?
Yes, sir.
So guys, this is actually, this problem statement that what we are going to be discuss. So this is the table. So can you please read the problem statements now? The first problem statement is, the first problem statement is, have a look guys, show all employees whose name ending with AY word, AY word. Now show all employees whose department starting with E, whose department starting with E. We know that ECE and triple E branches starts with E letter. Now show all employees whose name having E letter. We know Sai, Deepak and when having E letter. On the down we have 3 requirements similarly like ending with, starting with and having. Guys, you clear the requirement?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Can you try the first half? Second half I'll explain you.
Select star from employees.
Correct. So here we have to write select star from employees. Hmm?
Where
Select star from employees. Yeah. Whose means yeah, where. Correct. Whose means yeah, where name ending with AY letter. Correct. Name ending with
yes, sir.
AY letter. So you have to write where name like, and in single quotes you have to write AY. Before that, guys, you have to write something, percentile. Guys, here you are using something, like operator, like operator. Okay, and we are checking for the name column. And percentile AY means, listen carefully, percentile AY means, percentile mean any word in the beginning. Go to mute, Prasad. Percentile, guys, means any word in the prefix, but suffix has to be AY. Suffix has to be AY. This is, guys, the query we have to write it. You may try also here. I'll try this. Let's run. And guys, you can see Ajay, Sanjay, Vijay. Ajay, Sanjay, Vijay. This is what something, the first query, guys. Can you try this next one?
Select
Select star from employees.
Mm.
Where
where
department like
Department
percentile
like
E.
percent.
Percentile E.
No, sir.
No,
E
no
percentile.
E percentile. Why E percentile? Starting with E letter.
Starting E and
So
ending like.
correct. Ending can be anything. Ending can be anything. So prefix should be E and suffix can be anything. Earlier scenario, prefix can be anything and suffix should be AY. Next scenario, prefix should be E and ending with anything. Got it?
Yes, sir.
Okay then. Now the last one, guys.
Percentile E percentile.
Percentile.
Correct. So simply you have to say percentile E, percentile E. It means prefix and suffix can be anything, but definitely there's a E letter should be there. Clear this query, the third query.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yeah, I was not hitting this next two queries. You have to try the second two queries. And also, guys, the third, and I have given some 3 requirements on the down. Show all employees whose name ending with Y letter. Y letter. Next, show all employees whose name starting with L letter. L letter. And having A letter. You can try these 3 things as well. Guys, clear this?
Yes, sir.
This is actually, guys, what you learn something, now. You learn something, guys, regular expressions. Guys, you learn something, regular expression. Regular expression, nothing but that like with percentile. Like with the percentile, we have to call it as something, regular expressions in select command. Hope, guys, you are clear this.
Yes, sir.
Everyone.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now, guys, again, same table I have taken, and please focus on the requirement now. Focus on the requirements now. Focus on the requirement now. Go to mute. Sahiti, go to mute. Yeah, thank you. So guys, if you see now, first requirement, show all employees, show all employee records in ascending order based on their names. Guys, can you tell me what is the ascending order for the names?
Order by.
No. I'm not asking the answer.
Okay.
After, I mean, what is ascending order for the names?
A letter to.
First, who will come?
A to
E
Z.
Sanjay.
D
D
Sanjay.
Sanjay.
Next,
H
H
Venu.
H Venu.
Venu.
next, next,
L J.
L J.
L Ajay.
J.
Next,
T Sai Deepak.
T. Sai Deepak.
next,
T
TV.
Vijay.
correct. That is what sorting in ascending order. Now see the second problem statement. Show all employee records in descending order based on their salaries. Descending order means first who will come.
78,000.
78,000.
Next,
38.
50,000.
50,000 is Sanjay.
Correct. So in that way, this will come. Next problem statement, guys, if you see show all employee records in descending order based on their ages. Descending order.
41.
Next, 36,
36.
31, and 20.
31, 20.
Next, guys, show all employee records in ascending order based on their user IDs.
Ajay.
Ajay.
Ajay, Deepak.
Deepak.
Next,
Sanjay.
Sanju.
Sanju, Venu and Vijay.
Eno, Vijay, and Sanjay. Correct? Correct, guys. Correct.
Sanju first,
You
sir.
you clear the requirement first.
Yes, sir.
Sure.
If you want to sort the rows, you have to use a class called ordered by class. You want to sort the rows either in ascending or descending order, you have to use ordered by class. Guys, you clear this?
Clear, sir.
Ordered by class. Ordered by class, what it will do here is it will sort your rows either in ascending or descending order. Now, can you tell me, guys, first query, half of the query? I was expecting half
Select
query.
star from
Select
employee.
star from employees.
Select star from employees.
Order by.
Yeah, guys, directly you can write something, ordered by
Order
your
by
column name. Ordered by your column name. What is the column name?
name.
Name. Okay. So guys, here we use ordered by. And at the end, guys, you have to specify on which column basis you want to sort. On which basis you want to sort. So guys, this is the query you have to write it. Let's fire this query. Guys, you can see now, as expected, the names are displaying ascending order. See, D, H, L, T, T. So by default, ordered by class, arrange the rows in ascending order only by default. Guys, everybody clear this?
Clear.
Yes, sir.
Right. Now the next query, if you see, show all employee records in descending order based on the salaries. So you have to write ordered by salary. And at the end, guys, you have to write something, desk. If you not write desk, by default, this rows will be displayed in ascending order. Guys, you can see this now. If I write select star from employees ordered by salary, by default, you can see in ascending order, see salaries 2444. But at the end, if you write desk means descending order. Now, guys, you can see in descending order 78, 50, 44, and 44 and 24,000. You're clear when to use desk?
Yes, sir.
Can you try this query now?
Select the star from employees.
Order by
Order
age.
by age.
Desk.
Age,
Desk.
correct. You have to write at the end a desk. I was not trying this query. You have to try. Next, the last one.
Select star from employees.
Order by user.
Order by user ID.
Correct. That's it. Hope you are clear, guys. What is ordered by class? When to use ordered by class?
Yes, sir.
Right. Maybe I can give you scenario when to use this ordered by class. In Flipkart or Amazon, when you're searching for a product, okay, the similar products also, guys, you will display it. It will display. Let's say you are searching for Oppo mobiles. Okay, so you can see the price of the mobiles in different orders, but you have an option filter. Low to high. If you choose the option low to high, definitely the prices will be displayed, in ascending order. Guys, agree?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
That is something, ordered by class, a real-time use case. Hope everyone clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay then. Right. Now, guys, let's say one more scenario. In same Flipkart or Amazon, you're searching for mobiles, all mobiles, Oppo, Vivo, Realme, all mobiles, which has 5G network. which support for 5G network. So we know that mobiles are, mobile supports, different networks, 3G, 4G, and 5G. But we are searching for 5G. Now we are searching for something, 5G. So what if we select 5G, guys? Left side may definitely have some panel in Amazon or Flipkart. If you select 5G, only 5G, mobiles will be displayed. Correct?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Can you ping this, guys, in the chat, everyone? Type your departments. Are you from CSE or EEE? Can you type? Quick, everyone. Type your branches. MCA, MEC, BSc, CSE, EC, EEE, Civil, IT. Okay. Okay. Type your gender. M or F. Type your gender. Type your state. TS or AP. Stop it. Guys, stop it. Stop it. Right. Let me put this way so that easily you can understand. Okay. Guys, now there are 73 people are there in the class, but I can group you based on your branches. CSE 20 peoples, EEE 20 peoples, EC 30 peoples. Like that, I can group you. Or I can group you guys based on your gender. 35 students are male, next 35 are females. Let's say 27 are AP, 20 from Telangana, and remaining all remaining people. So I can group you based on these values, your gender, your states, and your branches. Agree? Guys, agree?
Yes, sir.
Sir.
Can you tell me now how many of you from how many employees are belongs to CSC department now? How many faculties are from CSC department?
Two of them.
Two.
Two.
How many are from EEE?
Two.
EC.
One.
One.
How many of you from Hyderabad here?
Two members.
Two.
From Warangal?
One.
So you got right what I was expecting.
Yes, sir.
Then guys, you have to go with a concept called something,
Group by.
correct.
Yes.
Group by class. Group by class. We have to say it's a group by class. Now guys, see the problem statements. See the problem statement. Show group wise department name and number of employees. Guys, you have to focus on this thing only. Department name and number of employees. In each department, how many employees are there? Like let's say first department, CSE 2, EEE 2, and EC 1. Are you clear? What will be the output of this?
Yes, sir.
Guys, confirm this.
Two, sir.
Yes, sir.
Now, what is the output of this? Show group wise city and number of employees.
Hyderabad 2,
Correct.
Karimnagar 1, Warangal 1, Pune 1.
Correct. Right? So guys, you are clear this, right?
Yes, sir.
Now, can you read this? Show sum of salaries from employees in department wise. Sum of salaries. Sum of salary means CSE, from CSE, how many employees are there and what is the sum of their salaries? CSE sum. CSE sum of salaries.
2 employees,
68, sir. 68.
68.
68,000. EEE.
1,22,000.
1,22,000. You are clear the what will be the output?
Yes, sir.
Then guys, you have to go with something, group by class. Group by class. Okay. Let's say guys, this query, little bit, differ than, the older ones. Okay. First, guys, what you need to do is you have to write select and stop it here. What they are expecting to display, guys?
Department and number of
Department.
people.
And number of employees. Okay, so you can write something, select department, comma, number of employees are nothing but, can I say count star? Guys, can I say count star?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
From employees, guys, listen carefully. Why I have taken two? Read the problem statement again. Read the problem statement again. Show department name and number of employees. So I want to show CSE, 2 people. ECE, 2 people. Triple E, 5 people. Like that, it will display. You're clear?
Yes, sir.
And then finally, guys, you can write something, group by. What is a column name?
Department.
No. Just say department. Just say department. So on group by, on which basis you are grouping them? On which basis you are grouping them, guys? You have to write it. So this is differ compared to the previous ones. Let's fire this and run. Guys, you can see you're printing department column. See CSC triple EC because you group them by department. You group them by department. So you can see department. Now, guys, you're using aggregate function count star. So CSC 2 people, EC 2 people, sorry, 1 people, and triple E 2 people. Yeah, clear this?
What if we don't use group by class?
No, if you won't use the group by class, okay, if you won't use the group by class, that will not group, guys. And definitely, yeah, as you expected, you may check this output as well. Definitely, it will expect something, group function whenever you use this combination. Okay. You're clear?
Maybe semicolon. Yes.
I didn't get you.
Sir, maybe it's asking to put semicolon.
Hey, no. With my mouse, I selected the query up to here. You will get that error. You're clear? It will expect some group function. With mouse, whatever the part you selected, that you can run it. You're clear?
Yes, sir.
And guys, I'll show you one more combination here. Can you see the department names? Are they in ascending order?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
No, sir. No, sir.
Sir,
No,
no,
sir.
sir.
Huh?
No.
But if you want to them ascending order, what should I do?
Order by.
Correct. Just say ordered by department. Ordered by department at the end. Run it. Guys, you can see now. This is in ascending order now. See. CSC, ECE, triple E. Yeah, clear, guys. The combination how to use group by, how to use ordered by.
Yes, sir.
Sir.
I will do a few more things so that you may get the clarity. Yeah, can you try this?
Select city, comma, count of star, employees,
Group by city.
Group by
City.
city. Correct. So select city, comma, count star from employees. Group by, guys, we can add something, city. Group by city. Yeah, you can check this as well, guys. You can check this as well. You can see Hyderabad 2 people, Karimnagar 1, Pune 1, and Warangal 1. Hope everyone clear this?
Yes, sir.
How to sort the cities now?
Order by
Order.
city.
Ordered by, just write city. Let's fire. Now you can see, guys. Sir, why the K and W will come, first priority? Because if you see, guys,
Yes.
no. Capital A, ASCII is 65. Capital B, ASCII is 66.
ASCII values.
ASCII values. Okay. I don't know, guys, whether you know it or not, but yeah, this is what. Similarly, if you see, small a ASCII is 97. Correct. Small b ASCII is 98. Correct. So in this case, if you think that upper letters will come first or lower letter will come first?
Capital letters will come first.
Correct. That's what Karimnagar first, Warangal, next, then Hyderabad last, and last but one, and Pune is last one. You're clear, guys? How to group and order them here?
Yes, sir.
Okay, then let's try the next one, guys. Can you try this?
Select a sum of salaries.
Correct. You are right. You need to use sum of salary, correct? Sum of salary, correct? But what they are expecting department wise. So you have to say department comma sum of salary and group by department. Correct. Guys, now you know what you will get. CSC and their sum, triple E and their sum. Okay. And then EC and their sum, guys, you will get it as a output. Yeah, definitely. I want to show you this output. I want to show you this output. Let's fire this and see this guy. See, EC, CSC 68,000, triple E 1,22,000, EC 50,000. Hope everyone clear this.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
How to get a highest salary?
Maximum
Max,
salary.
Maximum salary.
select
Maximum salary. So you can write something, max of salary. Max of salary. Select department comma max of salary. Group by department. Guys, fire this. First fire this. And let's see what is the output. In CSC, who got highest salary, guys? In CSC, sorry, max of salary means, yeah, CSC, who got highest salary? 44,000, correct?
Yes, sir.
In CSC, 24,000, Ajay is there and Venu is there. Ajay getting 24,000 and Venu getting 44,000. So who is getting highest salary?
Wait,
Venu.
44.
44,000. Triple E,
78,000.
Vijay.
Vijay 78,000. That's what we are getting that output here. Can you see? CSC 44,000 highest salary, Triple E 78,000, EC 50,000. But the expectation here is who belongs to Triple E. Show highest salary from Triple E department from employees. Then guys, you know what you need to write? Where department is equal to Triple E, where triple E department is equal to triple E. So you'll get only triple E, guys. Guys, what this will do is, I have just added where department equal to triple E. What it will do here is, it will filter for only triple E. It will filter for only triple E, guys. You can fire this and you can run this. This is what extra have written this. You clear this?
Yes, sir.
Right. I know, guys, it's a little bit, differ than what we did, earlier. So I was writing again here. Just you have to write where department is equal to, where department equal to triple E, guys, you have to write it. This is, guys, the where class I have written extra. This is the, guys, where class I have written extra. You clear this all?
Yes, sir. Clear.
So guys, so far, I have given regular expressions and then ordered by class and then group by class. If you are clear with so far, then I'll go with further things, guys. Can I?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Right. Guys, can you tell me this? Total, how many departments employees are there?
3
Three
departments.
departments.
How you are saying 3?
CSE, EC, and triple A, right, sir. 3 departments.
Now in your answer, now whatever the answer you told me, in that answer, you eliminated duplicates, branch names, and you're telling unique branch names, correct?
Yes, sir.
Everyone clear this conversation?
Yes, sir.
Now, how many cities of employees are working in this company?
Four cities.
Four
Four.
cities.
Hyderabad, Karimnagar, Warangal, and Pune. How you are confirming this?
Because two of
You're,
them from one city.
you are eliminating the duplicate ones, correct?
Yes, sir.
Eliminating means Hyderabad 2 times repeating is there, so 1 time it will come. Here also, guys, if you see Triple E 2 times, CSC 2 times, and EC 1 time, but they will come only once, correct now?
Yes, sir.
Then,
Yes,
guys,
sir.
you have to use something, distinct keyword in select command. Distinct keyword, guys, in select command. Distinct keyword. So, guys, this is something, distinct keyword. What distinct keyword will do is it return only distinct values. Distinct means different, or we can say unique. Different, or you can say unique. Now, guys, if you see print unique department of all employees. Unique department of all employees. So simply, guys, your query will goes like this. Select distinct of department from employees. From employees. So you can run this. And guys, you can see ECU, Triple E, and ECU only. Guys, you are clear when to use distinct function?
Yes, sir.
Non-duplicate. And I
Sir,
want to
can you
print.
show more examples?
Uh-huh.
Can you show more examples?
Yeah, I was going one more example. Distinct department means in department, 3 departments are there. Now, if I say distinct city, what it will come? Can you guess?
Hyderabad, Warangal, Pune.
One time it will
Karimnagar.
come. One time it will come. One time it will come. There is no repetition. If you use distinct, there is no repetition of cities. There is no repetition of departments. And guys, if you see one more thing, ages, do we have duplicate ages?
Yes, I do.
Correct. 31 is repeated 2 times. 31 repeated 2 times. But if I write age, then you can see something, only one time it will come, guys. You can see 28, 31, 41, 36. Guys, simply what distinct will do is it will eliminate the duplicates and display unique values once. You're clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Everyone clear, guys?
Yes, sir.
Okay, then. This is something, distinct keyword, guys. Distinct. Let's fire this. Yeah. Guys, now I'm moving to some more advanced topic in, in select command. In select command.
Sir, can you tell any real-time example for distinct keyword?
Yeah, see, one second. Maybe let me recall this. Let's say in Naukari, the different companies will post their jobs. Okay, will post their jobs. Let's say some 5 companies are guys posting their jobs for a same package. For a same package. Let's say something, 5 LPA. 5 LPA for 5 companies. They posted in their, and in the Naukari portal that they are offering 5 lakhs. But when you are searching, when you are searching, you don't want to print duplicates. When you don't want to print a duplicate companies, okay, duplicate, the package names. I want to print something, 4 LPA, 5 LPA, 6 LPA, like individually. Or else I want to know in Naukari up to how much extent the LPS will be displayed without duplication. Like 4 LPA, 5 LPA, 6 LPA, then guys, we have to go with something, distinct only. So simply guys, if there are in a column, if duplicate values are there, if in a column, duplicate columns are there, duplicate values, if you want to print them only one time, then you have to go with the unique. Clear this?
Yes, sir. So basically, it filters out the duplicates.
Correct. Correct. It filter out, duplicates. Just we can see only, unique values. Let's say guys, one more scenario now. One more scenario now. This is one real-time use case I was taking. One real-time use case I was taking this. So this is our table now. Let's copy this table anyhow. And this table having how many columns, guys?
8.
8.
8 columns. And the table name is employees, correct? Yes, table name is employees, right? Fine. I can give this scenario, a general scenario first, so that easily you can understand this. You all guys done with your BTech, right? And I believe you buy a spectrum at the end of your semester, correct?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Spectrum will be a small book or a big book.
Big book.
Big
Big
book.
book.
How many subjects will having?
5
All
subjects.
All
One
subjects.
semester whole.
Correct. Let's say, like in your last semester, let's say any one of the semester, you have 8 subjects, guys. Let's say scenario, you have a 8 subject and a 8 subject having in a one book only. Now there are 3 friends are there, and they have only 1 week to complete, all the 8, the subjects. Okay, they have only 5 days. Definitely, only one spectrum is there. Only one spectrum is there. Definitely, what you people do, you will split that
TLW.
spectrum into correct. You split that, the spectrum into some parts. 3 friends are there. Let's say friend 1 will take 3 subjects. Friend 2 will take 3 subjects. Another friend will take 2 subjects. Now what they do, they'll spend 2 days or 3 days to revise all the subjects, and the last day, they will explain, each other. That generally will happen, correct?
yes, sir.
Now this table having how many columns?
8
8
columns.
columns.
Let's say you are working, guys, listen carefully. This is okay. Let's say you are working in this table with only 3 columns. Only 3 columns, not all. Not all. Okay, this is a scenario 1. This is a scenario 1. And let's say you are working, I mean, another developer. First developer working with only 3 columns. And the second developer, second developer working with guys only these 3 columns, these 3 columns, these 3 columns. And one second.
Pages.
One second. Now another developer working with guys, this columns only. This columns only. Let me copy and paste this. One second, let me bring out this. Let me take this as well. Let me take these 2 as, or let me take this as well. Okay, so guys, our original table name is employees, but now here if you see developer 1 working with only 3 columns. Okay, and developer 2 working with only 3 columns, name, department, city. Developer 3 working with 4 columns, name, salary, city, and mail ID. Then what we can do here is, instead of working with 8 columns in every employees, what they do here is they'll create some virtual tables. Guys, virtual tables. This is a virtual table 1. A virtual table in SQL, we have to call it as view. A virtual table in SQL, guys, we have to call it as view. Now what this developer will do is they'll create their respective views, guys. They'll create their respective views. Let's say this name is emp underscore view1. Employee underscore v1. Nothing but this data is coming from employees table, but it has only 3 columns data. It has only 3 columns data. And guys, here also, if you see, this is, developer 2 is creating with the view name employee underscore view2, which data is taken from employees table and which has only 3 columns. Same way, developer 3 will create one more view name is employee underscore view3, okay, which has 4 columns data from employees table, This is, guys, the next topic, something, views in SQL. A view is nothing but a virtual table or a temporary table which data is taken from the original table. This is your original table. And on the down, you can see these 3 are, some dummy table or something, temporary table data only. Am I clear? What is the concept of view?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, then. Guys, this is too easy, you believe or not. Creating the views, too easy. Too easy. Can you tell me first how to create a table?
Create table name.
Create table name.
Correct. So here you have to say, create view name. Create view name. Are you clear this?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Guys, right, preparing views are very simple, you believe or not. This is the first part. Create view name. We know how to create a table, create table name. We know how to create a sequence, create sequence name. Now we are learning today how to create a view, create view name. Okay, guys, this is the first part. Forget about this. Can you please focus? The first virtual table having 3 columns. Can you tell me the select query? Can you tell me the select query to select only 3 columns? Can you tell me the query?
Select
Select star.
from
Hey, hold on. Why you are telling star? 3 columns.
Password, comma,
Password, comma, mail ID.
mail ID.
Correct.
mail ID from employees.
Correct. From employees. Guys, are you clear the second query I have written?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
What the select query will do, guys? It will take 3 columns, correct?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
What is the first query? Creating the
Table.
View.
View, sir.
creating a dummy table, or we can say a view. Simply, guys, you can write as and add this query. That's it. This is your creating the view, guys. It's very simple. First part, create your view. Second part, select which columns you required for this view. Select which columns you required for this view. And what is your original table name? This is your original table name and this is your temporary table name. Guys, you're clear this?
Yes, sir.
Now we know that if I write select star from employees, you'll get original table data or you will get duplicate, dummy table data.
Original data.
Now, can you guess if I fire this query, what will get?
Dummy table data display.
Virtual data.
Now, dummy table data having how many columns?
3 columns.
3 columns.
Here star means what?
All columns.
All columns.
Three. Correct, na?
Yes, sir.
Chalo, let's fire the first query, guys. Let's fire the first query. Yeah, here I was firing. Let's run. Guys, can you see a message? Array, your view gets created. Your view gets created. And if you want to see the view data, same select query you have to write. Select star from employee, view one. Guys, fire it. You got only 3 columns?
Yes.
Perfect. So guys, this is something, how to create a view. How to create a view. And this is guys something, show view data, how to show the view data. Now maybe you can have a doubt. Maybe you can have a doubt, sir. If tomorrow, if there is an update operation is done in employee table, okay, is it reflected to the views? Guys, I was repeating the question. In original table, you modified the Deepak password to Apple. In original table, you modified the Deepak password to Apple. Will it reflected to the view? Yes, it's reflected, guys. What it will do is first update a table, update employees table, and check. Guys, can you tell me how to update Deepak password to Apple?
Update employee
Update employees.
set
Set.
password equal to
Apple.
Apple.
where
Where?
user is equal
User
to
ID equal to Deepak.
Correct. Where where user ID is equal to Deepak. Guys, update the employee table. Yeah, I think somewhat
Deepak names.
correct. I think
EEP.
spelling is mistake. Correct, Deepak. Let's fire this again. Yeah, guys, you got one row updated. Now what you do, guys? After update, verify whether employee table is affected or not by firing this query. Let affected or not. Is it affected? I mean, the original table is modified.
Yes, it did.
If it is modified, chalo fire your view data also. Let's check whether it is modified or not. Guys, tell me, is it modified?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
So can you tell me this answer? If original table will modified, is a view will modified?
Yes, it will.
Yes, sir.
Correct. Correct. Now maybe you have a one more doubt. Sir, in future, I don't want to use this view. Guys, can you tell me how to drop the table?
Drop table name.
Now, can you guess?
drop
Drop
view
table view
Uh,
view 1.
Now, guys, if you fire this query, your view will be deleted.
Only EMP.
Sorry. Oh, sorry. EMP. Yeah, EMP underscore view1. Sorry. It's saying that view is not exist. Correct. Let's run it. And guys, can you see this view is dropped? If you want to check whether the view is dropped or not, fire the select query and definitely can see the error array view not exist. Guys, the steps I was writing here in your today class notes. Actually, the topic is views. Can you define what is a view?
to create virtual
View
table.
is a
Create
subtable of
virtual
the
table.
Which data
We can
collected
say
from existing table.
correct, perfect. A view is a virtual table, or I can say subtable,
Temporary table.
or I can say correct temporary table. Temporary table. You can tell anything. A view is a virtual table or a subtable or temporary table, which data collected from original table, guys. You clear this?
Yes, sir.
Now, guys, I was giving some steps to you, working with views. And guys, this is what I have did it. See, step 1, we created a view. Step 2, how to display the data in the view. Step 3, we updated a table just to want to verify. And next, guys, we are verifying whether the original table is modified or not. And then, guys, we are checking whether the view is updated or not. If the table is updated. Yes, it's updated. And finally, guys, what you have seen? We have seen how to drop the views. Totally 6 steps, guys, I have given here to work with the view. You clear this?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Guys, you have to do's. Repeat repeat above, above, above 6 steps, 6 steps for EMP view 2 and EMP EMP v3 on paint. Because on the paint, guys, I have given remaining views as well. Just try to create a view and display and try to drop it and check whether if the table is modified, the views also gets modified, guys. You can try this. This is a small topic, something, views. You're clear?
Clear, sir.
Yes, sir.
Everyone.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So I want to bring up with guys where we were exactly. So we have started something a regular expression today, then ordered by class, then group by class, then distinct, and now guys we have given something a views. How to create, how to show, how to drop, all guys we have discussed. Now guys, now I want to move on more a small topic. Want to move a small topic here. Let's fire this query.
Sir, all of this comes under DDL, right? Data definition language.
No. This is all in QL, query languages. DQL, data query language. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Right. Guys, can you focus this? Can you focus this query and my output? The query and my output. This is also a small topic, very small topic and very simple. Can you see my select query, guys? First, can you see my select query? Yeah, we know that our original table has 8 columns, but we selected 3. We selected 3. Now, guys, actually my requirement here is I want to print the data same. Listen carefully. Topic is very small and very simple. Okay, I want to print the data same, but I don't want to print the column name as user ID. I want to print the column name as ID. And here I want to print the column name as something, password. Or let's say something, passcode. I want to print passcode. I don't want to print, or let's say something, pin. I want to print pin. Original column names are user ID, password, and one more column name is mail ID. But guys, I want to print the column names like this. You're clear the requirement first? Original
Yes.
column names are user ID, password, email ID. But I don't want to print the original column names. I want to print duplicate column names, or I can say aliasing for the column name. Aliasing means another name. Guys, in your home or in your friend circle, definitely you will keep your pet names for your friends, correct?
Yes, sir.
That is what actually the topic, pet name. In SQL, we have to called as aliasing. Guys, in SQL, we have to call it as this is something, aliasing. Aliasing is nothing but giving another name to the columns. Let's see, guys, how it is. Let's say, how it is. Your same select query, your same select query, you have to write it. But a slide changes, a slide changes user ID space as you have to write ID. So as is a keyword in SQL, as is a keyword in SQL, this is original name, and guys, this is a duplicate name. Now, can you help me the next password?
As pin.
As pin.
Correct. As pin. Melody.
As email.
As email.
Correct. That's it. Guys, do you feel that it's tough?
No, sir.
What am I aliasing?
Nicknames.
No. You should not say nicknames in interview. You should say, yeah, giving another name to the column names.
Another name.
Giving another name. Chalo, guys, file this query. File this query and run it, guys. Data will never change. Can you see this now? ID, PIN,
Sir.
email IDs. And this is something, guys, aliasing for columns, for column names, for column names. Now, maybe you can ask, sir, can I do aliasing for tables, table name? Can I alias for a table name? You did for a column name, right? Can I do for column name? I mean, table name, complete table name. Yes, guys, you can do. You can do. Simply, what you need to do, guys. At the end of the table name, you can give something, E. Employee space E. There is no, guys, something, you have to write as E here. For columns only, guys, you have to use as keyword. Okay, for table name, guys, you should not use as, just write E. Now, when you're pointing to each column, you have to write E dot user ID, E dot ID, and guys, you have to write E dot password. Yeah, you have to specify on each column. Sorry, for original column names. E dot user ID as ID, E dot password as PIN, and E dot mail ID as email ID, guys. If you give any duplicate name, no, we can give duplicate name or we can say reference name. Guys, you can say aliasing for table name or you can say referencing name. Now let's fire this. Output is same. Just guess we have given some alias name for the table name. If you see the table name is E, the original table name is now employees, and the duplicate table name is E. Are you clear this?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. So maybe guys, I'll keep this things in the class notes. The one more last topic I have given something, aliasing. Guys, today I have given some, a lot of topics. So this is your original table. And this is we did aliasing for column name. And the last one, guys, we did something aliasing for the table name. Aliasing is nothing but something, providing another name for column or tables.
Table name.
Hope you clear what is a views and what is aliasing.
Yes, sir.
Okay,
Yes.
then tomorrow, guys, we'll see the continuation with one more interesting topic. So please revise them. Maybe you can. I'll ask Viva again tomorrow from scratch for the select command. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay, then. Bye, guys.
Sir,
Yes. Mansa.
sir, I was not able to open the like a GI mode, sir.
GUI mode. Okay. Yeah, no problem. If GUI mode will not open, no issues. You can work with the commanders interface mode. But tomorrow morning, beginning of the session, you can ask me this. So I'll connect with your system and we'll see why it is not opening. Okay.
Okay, sir. Thank you.
Sir,
Okay.
can we change the constraint of the column?
Yeah, we can do by using modify, alter modify, we can.
Okay, sir.
Okay, then. Okay, guys, then. Bye.
Okay, sir. Thank you.
Yeah, bye.